Hey, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get 20% instant discount from pictory.ai. You can see now I'm on the order page. First, you need to log in with your Gmail. So this link I will attach in description below, and your coupon code also available on description below. When you click, you are redirected to this website. So first of all, I'm going to here, then I select a plan. Just now paste my coupon code. So I again repeat KUOQK. Just click on apply. When you click on apply, you can see you got 20% instant discount. Your before price are 228 US dollar, but after applying this coupon code your price are 182.4 US dollar. So now click on processed, then buy your plan. So this coupon code already work all plan, don't worry. So if you want more videos, type up, please comment below. I will try to create a specific video only for you. See you next video. Take care. Goodbye.